Okay, you guys, sorry that we're starting here, but some of my footage was actually deleted. But that is the amount of hair that I got out while detangling. And as you can see, my hair is full of shampoo, and a little goes a long way. I do feel the shampoo actually does what it says it should, so this will now be a part of my regimen. And now we're just going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, my hair looks clean, it feels clean, and I just love the sensation from the shampoo. So this will now be a part of my regimen whenever I do decide to shampoo my hair and I feel that my hair needs a really good cleanse. So now we're just going to go in with our deep conditioning, and this too was $9.99 at Target. And I'm just going to do my hair like I normally do, where I section my hair off into fours and then work into two sections at a time, just to make sure that I evenly distribute the products throughout my hair and I can actually give my hair the attention that it needs on all four sections. Okay, you guys, so a little bit about the products. It simply says, after shampooing with the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo, smooth evenly through damp hair from roots to ends, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse. So you guys, whenever you're doing a protein treatment or a deep conditioning, you want to make sure to start at your ends and then work your way up to your roots, simply because your ends of your hair is the oldest part of your hair and it needs the most attention. So once I'm done working the products on my ends, I then make my way up to my roots. You guys, as soon as I put this product on my scalp, I can actually feel the tingling sensation from the mint. So I really feel that this is going to be a great deep conditioning. So at this time, you want to make sure that you apply your products all over. I am going to go in and add more. I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of what it looks like with products and what my hair looks like without products. So I'm going to go in and make sure to add more. And as you guys can see, I'm even adding more products right now. I'm simply adding to the spots that I feel that my hair is neglected the most, which is the roots, because I always tell you guys that in the middle portion of my hair, it seems to be a different texture, so it tends to act different. And then I'm going to pay attention to the section by my glasses, because as you all know, I need my glasses to see. So whenever I'm doing a style or any kind of protein treatment, I can sort of forget that section. So I'm going to make sure that I add products into that section because it needs some attention as well. So now that I have the products all throughout this entire left side of my head, I am going to go in and finger detangle. You can detangle with a comb or a brush. It's up to you. I prefer just to do it with my fingers because I don't feel that I'm pulling on my hair as much as you can with a comb. So this is the amount of hair that I got from that section. So now we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing on our right side. So you simply want to just take your left side and tie it up. You can use a clip or a hair tie, and you're going to do the exact same steps on your right side. So now that we're done, I'm going to go ahead and give myself a nice scalp massage. Always remember that whenever you're doing a deep conditioning or protein treatment, it is a great time to do a scalp massage. Doing regularly scalp massages promotes hair growth. So if we want nice, long, beautiful hair, we always make sure that we give our scalp some of that attention. So as you guys can see, I'm rubbing that product throughout my edges to make sure that it's getting the same attention. Always make sure to use your finger palms or your fingertips whenever doing a scalp massage, and do not use your fingernails because doing so will cause damage to your scalp. So you guys, we're done with the detangling process, and this is the amount of shedded hair that I have left. And I'm very surprised considering that I have not did a deep conditioning or protein treatment in my hair for the last 2 months. So now we're just going to simply take a shower cap or a plastic bag and apply it to our hair, and make sure to tuck your hair in and tie your shower cap down and sit for the recommended 15 to 20 minutes. So you guys, this was the outcome. I did actually leave it on for 2 hours instead of the recommended of 15 to 20 minutes. That's really why I don't like deep conditioning, because I just get lost and start doing other things. But an extra hour or two should not hurt my hair. So far, I'm loving how my edges are looking, because that's where I was getting a lot of puffiness. So as the days go on, I'll see how my hair is going to hold up, but I definitely think I am going to keep this as a part of my regimen. So I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.